Guys, at the moment I'm here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and I was looking for my GoPro and I realized that it's not here. And then actually that GoPro has a Apple AirTag, and it says that it is in Williamstown. And you know, when I went for break this morning around 11 o'clock, I actually forgot to close the window. So maybe someone get inside here and took that GoPro. Yeah, so I'm going to follow it. I'm going to check it in Williamstown. I was about to go to track my GoPro, but yeah, I was approached by a couple. Yeah, very nice. They said they are watching my video. They are locals here in Nelson Bay. And so we exchanged, we had a little conversation, and we exchanged a phone number. Yeah, they said that they are going to invite me to go in their house to have a coffee, something nice. But now I need to go to the to track my GoPro. I don't have GoPro. Actually, according to the time here, it's been in that Williamstown since 12 o'clock. So I think I lost it yesterday because yesterday I met Louis and his family. They are coming from Brisbane. I met them before in Brisbane when I did my bike packing. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday, that's the last time I had the GoPro. I think I dropped it somewhere in I think I dropped it somewhere in Albura Marina, and then someone found it and they took it with them. And according to the AirTag, Apple pinned up, it is in Williamstown at the moment. So I'm going there now. It's near McDonald's. And we are now here in the McDonald's near the airport here in Williamstown. Yeah. So basically, according to the Find My app of the Apple AirTag, it was last seen here, the GoPro camera, at 12:44. That's the place where my GoPro is located 15 hours ago. I don't know if I'm going to get it back. I'm not sure. Yeah, so basically the AirTag is not updating yet. It means that maybe it's broken already, or they break it, or because it is maybe it is somewhere far near the iPhone or any Apple device. When I was driving, I remember how I lost the GoPro. So basically, yesterday when I met Louis and the family, I was parked in the under the tree, and on the tree there's a lot of birds, and so there's a lot of birds poop on the here in the car, especially in the glass, in the windshield. And so I decided to go to the washing area in the petrol station in Anna Bay. And then I actually recorded the washing. I basically put the GoPro on the metal railings, and recording. And I forgot to take it. Yeah, that's how I lost the GoPro. That was last night around 9:30. Yeah, because after that, after washing, I went to the gym. Yeah, and that's how I lost it. So basically, someone found it and took it. And this morning, 12:44 a.m., they are there at the petrol station. Yeah, I am trying to recover it, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. But I actually still have a GoPro. Yeah, the old one, the GoPro Hero 9. That one that I lost is GoPro Hero 12, and that was about $600. Oh, wasted. There are so many cars here. Most of these are four-wheel drive. Yes, they are basically coming from that area. There is a four-wheel driving to the sea, to the ocean. On that side is Stockton Beach, and that is only for four-wheel drive cars. I'm not allowed to go there. Actually, I still have one GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 9, and yeah, this is what I'm going to use now. It is now 4:51, and the sun is going to set over there. Yeah, it's still no update with my Apple AirTag. Yesterday before leaving, Louis, they gave me this. Yeah, Louis and the family, they gave me this. Onion rings. This thing, this is cornero, pop cornero, piatos, and shrimp flavor. We eat in the restaurant and I ordered a burger. Yeah. And yeah, I also have a longganisa. This is Filipino longganisa. This is actually one of my favorites when I was in the Philippines. Yeah, I'm going to cook now. I actually met them before when I went to Brisbane during my bikepacking. Yeah, and they treat me to eat in a shabu shabu restaurant. Amazing, I like that shabu shabu restaurant. A lot of choices, lots of food. Yeah, delicious. For me not to run out of battery, yeah, I'm going to use this butane gas. This is actually too big. I feel that it's too big. Basically, put it here, lock it. Actually, let's open the exhaust fan. Let's put some water. I'm going to cook this 6 pieces. In case you don't know, I have this carbon monoxide alarm. Sun already set over there, but yeah, it's not yet cooked. And still, there's no update on my GoPro. There is a probability that they already break or remove the battery of the Apple AirTag. It is actually hidden because my GoPro has a dead cat, you know, this thing that prevent the wind noise. Yeah, it is hidden there. I actually did not put any oil. And you know, while I was driving, I was actually cooking the rice. Actually, I think it's cooked already. Yeah, I want that very well done. And the sun just set over there. And this is how it is here. Yeah, it's cooked. And yeah, this is how it is. This one is called longganisa. Yeah, finished. But I want more. I'll get more. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are here at the river. This here in Raymond Terrace. Yeah, it's still part of Port Stephen, where the city council's office is located. And this is where I end up last night. Actually, already at 12 o'clock when I get here. And that's where I sleep, under the bridge. It's not good to sleep under the bridge because it's noisy. You hear the bumping of the cars, the movements of the cars, the wind created by the cars. Yeah, noisy. And there are actually people, homeless people, not here, but yeah, everywhere around the world there are people sleeping under the bridge. In the Philippines there are some, even in the rich country, it's like Canada, USA. Yeah, there are people living under the bridge. So basically, if I'm not mistaken, this area is like the recreational area, sports center. Like this one, there is a big ground for kind of games, activities. Yeah, and it's very near to the city. I mean to the city proper. I can see from here the Aldi, that one. When I wake up, the first thing that I did is check my, the location of my GoPro Hero 12. Yeah, but it doesn't update. Oh, they camp here. That's the car over there. There is fish. And look how beautiful it is. Yeah, there is a crocodile over there. There is a rhinoceros. No, I'm joking. Also the clouds. It is giving the good vibes. Good morning. Can people actually swim in here? Or no, this is just a fishing place? Oh yeah, this is just a fishing place. Oh, there's a cormorant. Was coming from under the water, fishing. Anywhere around the world, most of the town, most of the cities, they are situated at least with a river, near the river or near the sea, near the ocean, near the lake, usually. And that's another playground. Yeah, sports activity place. And this is my first time here. When I first come here in Raymond, Terrace, was just in the shopping mall, so didn't really explore very well. And now that I see this place, it's beautiful. I noticed that there's not much people jogging in here. I saw maybe 5, 6, but not much as I've seen in Nelson Bay. So basically last night, coming from the McDonald's in Williamtown near the airport, yeah, I looked for Anytime Fitness Gym, and this is the nearest, just a 15 minutes drive. Because if I go back to Salamander Bay, it will be around that, yeah, 30 minutes drive. That's why I end up here. I went to the gym, work out for about 1.5 hours, and then I decided to sleep in the area. When I get here, there is that car, and there was another one over there. And now we go back to Nelson Bay because I have work today. Yeah, we are here in Pins Park. I don't really remember, but I think I saw it like that. Yeah, this is how it is here. There are some picnic tables, just like this. This along the main road, I mean the busy road. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a dam. Yeah, the water. This is a water catchment. I'm not sure. I read it somewhere. Actually, it's here. Oh, it's Pinan Park. The Hunter District Water Board, Pinan Park. This picnic area, named in honor of the Honorable F.J. Pinan, CVE, President of the Board 1953-1964, was opened by C.R.W. Scott, President of Port Stephen Shire Council, June 26, 1964. Oh yeah, this is Grahamstown Storage Reservoir. And at the moment, where are we? Yeah, we are here. Yeah, Pinan Park. This one. Yeah, for sure around the area there are different machineries, equipment that, you know, clear or filter the water for human consumption. This is where I'm going to prepare my breakfast. Yeah, I feel my eyes being tired. Probably one of the reason is I was on the computer for a long time, then did not have a good sleep. I'm going to fry an egg plus the longanisa that I cooked yesterday. Yeah, I'm going to have a very nice breakfast today. First, I'm going to fry an egg. Actually, I'm going to make a fried rice. Suddenly change my mind. Yeah, I have this rice coming from the fridge. Put some garlic. Oh, too much. Little onion. And I'm also going to reheat this longanisa that I cooked last night. And this is my breakfast. Now it's clean again, and now I'm going to make a coffee. Okay, that's it. We are going now. Yeah, we are now here near to the workplace. Yeah, I noticed that there are many yachts over there. No, not yacht, but what's that? Boat. Yeah, there is a lot of boat. Okay, not necessarily boat, but sail. A lot of people sailing over there. Yeah, nice. Maybe this is kind of a festival, events, group, organization, something like that. There are some people at the beach swimming. There are more people on the far side. The temperature here under the sun is just okay. I think it's also okay to take a swim. I don't think I will be able to recover my GoPro. Yeah, the AirTag is not updating. It's still in this. Yeah, this is still in the same place.